فيها وين هذا سنة يا مكو أبا مكو جبت عادي واحد ميري مكو جبت هذا كتلي يا واحد أنا أسكو عادينا بحال Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to test the street food, especially the fruit vendors in Mogadishu. Where are we currently? So we are in Banadir right now, and Banadir Kalkal. Okay, let me show you around, guys. It's in Kalkal. I don't know the exact area, but we're gonna try some fruits here, some fruit vendors, street food. So let's see. So guys, let's try this. It's called Balkam Gis Tari. Balkam Gis. Balkam Gis. Ambaha. Ambaha. ميقا عم بدأ how much is it؟ $1 عم بدأ يصير عم بدأ لكن مد معانا رواي هذا مد أنا كله معايا عملنا مد كان مد كيا را مد كرم ليلا مد يعني مد بس لا عمل كودا بسال ميا كان كاروا كان باع يورد كان ميقا كسقو مقعس ها زي ميا wow guys wow grapes I can see grapes even okay marka labadan baa yurid so you're going to try أنا أقول أنا سوق وأنا أدين معه كاميرا هوا أتعاوي سجد واي ما كسافيري كده أدين مع عبسده محاولة تلي ولي قال قومي من so guys we have bought محاولة عنبا إيه يعيسن كله عنبا and زيب so it's mango and raisins so let's we're gonna try نجي oh my god لا أوتورا تلفون كان أوتورا لعبت how much مغاوي $1 نص ليمانو على $1 ومية عارف إيش اسمها أمر so it's 50 cents so it's quite no, I'm not gonna say it's expensive, it's cheap, but it's kind of in the middle. One come here. Huh? Two. مش مقعد حاطط مش مقعد. بنادر أجيك سرتي واي. سكوس بنادر. فوتات في الصبح زين شنو ما يساعد أنا كنت ليه ما صنت يا let's go كن so دبكها ماشي واحد لقعونا يا هو باجي نيو واحد لي هذا أبو وحر سؤالك وديروا كال أمر سؤالك وديروا باك أو رقي جلوس قدران معيس معاك دنقلوها دنقلوا كذا يا كاس معها ممكن إمري so guys there's a local cuisine called dangalo so let's try أنت واي ها ناس نجابه So this is the mango here. We're gonna try. Abu, assalamualaikum. Dangalo may isa.
Ay.
Ha?
Wahaya.
So habisan may isa. So habisan na rawi. So wax ku darsan. Way ha saxaw naga mission nagay. Guys, you know we are going to meet this guy. Hopefully we should. Hopefully we are going to meet him. Let's see. He's a famous guy in TikTok. You know, and we're gonna film. We're gonna see how this dangalo thing tastes. You know, dangalo basically mahal suda dari dangalo. Mahal suda dari dangalo mahal suda dari. Yes. Kewa. Kan معنا عملنا عري داف السلام عليكم ابو يركض دنجلوغ عري داف دنجلوغ ارميا هورا نجي
تعمل واي
ارميا حد موجود عند فريات ثانكس برو Okay, brother. Wow, guys, you're going to meet him finally. Aridaf alam guys. So means Aridaf means don't leave me. So ma, don't leave me. So vale Aridaf. So it's kind of it's an attraction name, just to attract people. Let's see. He's here.
Yes.
Huh? Yes, finally we are here, guys. Yes, we have made it. Vlog asmena. Marka waxaan u imaado waxa waaye inaan wax iibsado idinku isdagaalaysiin waay.
Maya dagaal ma ku socono ma fahmino. Marka qof imaado gaar ma kaliya. Labadana hal meesha shaqo u joognaa ma aha. Saxdali. Yaa ku imaado marka. Hal meesha alla waxay rabtay qaadan karta maan ana ku imaado marka. Ninka mooto fatiina raa asina fatiina raa. Fahmo ismi. Laga asal rabna. Ma laga dar ku deeyno tam ku deey ma la hadal kan. Mooto ana saadad
Abu. labadiina marka soo qaaca aniga waxa weey waa
قنعت عاد وقنعت انا كداسنا ساعه ما فهمي لازم الى وجهك كاس كلام كان موطا يديني هذا صعب هذا موطا انا يدي موطا يديني ما شقيسو تنا كودي تنا الى يدي سو قسمنتا يغوريجيني dadka ma fahmo ilaa aba laga raba laakiin ana isoo diyaarada laga burta يا هل دور مشغال انت مشغال ليش هو ها ميسو وين هنا مريم سوق السلام عليكم ايه هواء نقولوا ها هل حبل ان يقرا لنا مقالات وانا ادمو كجرت adiga walaaliya youtube waya okay miya muuqaal aad doonaya adiga idinka kuma jirteen shakhsi kuma jiro kuma daray okay waya ma ani la isduwayo so dangalo we're gonna try dangalo yeah so yeah hadda halka fiir kan xiran maxaa waay maxaa soo dartay maxaa soo daray حال السعود الدرج هواي قالوا رقي
أنا سومالي دوا سومالي سجوا هاي so please يقرأ لنا دنقولوا كان محل السعود الدرج كده يعني محل سجرو لين لين يو سكر يا رقي so guys we're in this section hol wadaga joogna soma xarunta kale shanta geed so we are in hol wadag so yeah way هذا سنة يا أبا مكو جرتي عادي واحد ميري مكو جرتي هذه كتلي يا واحد أنا أسكو أدينا هذا عايز راس ماله أجريسيف ويا ها كحريف ما إيه هواي guys this is the worst experience this is what I don't like about Somalis right now.
You don't like about Somalia about what?
Yeah?
You don't like about Somalia about what? About telling you not to...
No, guys, like you know what? It's not a must that I'm not filming you. I'm filming myself.
It might happen because the way you hold the phone, it might happen that I can be on your camera. So if I ask you not to film me,
Guys, listen. Okay. Okay, brother, don't get mad. Okay, just no, really, so don't get mad. I'm just vlogging. So the frame is not on you. The frame is on me.
Yeah, I know.
You're not convinced.
Yeah, I know that the phone is for you. But sometimes you might be just like checking some things and the camera that might be.
You know what I do.
That's what I'm saying.
All my contents. Wallahi, brother, I don't film someone. When I'm coming, of what we did. Okay, what we did. What we did. What we did. Yeah.
Where you came from?
I came from Kenya.
You came from Kenya.
Yeah, Mombasa. Okay.
I don't have any problem. I used to live in a place that I have the right to record everything, even the public servant and everything.
Okay,
I don't have any problem with that. I don't have any problem with the films, but I'm saying like right now I'm not prepared to be filming.
I understand. I understand, brother.
I don't
Okay.
have just like
Okay. Thank you, brother. Okay. Sorry. So مقاوي كم مقاوي؟ ها؟ أفضل. Wow, guys! Wow! No, it's amazing. فرها محاول. نمبر كيف شيء. فراس ديت. أفرتن. ستنيكو. ايه بس ده كيف سه برتايو بس حطني شن No, Somalis, bro. I'm Somali. أنا أجنبي يعني. قف أجنبي دوي ماذا؟ والله قد أنا قف Somali دوي ماذا؟ والله عرّة. I don't know.
The way you said like I don't like this one. I don't like about Somalia. Also Somali.
Somalis in Somalia. No, Somalis in Somalia. Somalis كين جوكتو they are cool by the way. Cool واحد. وحاول في عن كاميرا.
Everyone is good.
Yeah.
Everyone is good.
If everyone is good.
It's just like behavior. You know?
But you are being
you are adopted. There's something that's different.
You are being.
You guys are okay with the camera. For us, we're looking for our safety.
You are being aggressive, by the way. I don't know.
For the first time,
You are being aggressive.
because of I was not prepared.
Yeah.
Also, you were not even
You are not.
You are picking up something.
Camera.
I was just like hiding myself.
Camera.
You are not. By the way, bro. Thank you, bro. Huh?
I don't have any problem.
Where are you from? You're from here?
No.
Yeah.
It's good not to say.
Huh?
It's good not to say.
Hey, bro.
It's good not to say.
Listen, I told you where I'm from. You don't tell me?
What is Dakota? The States. The States. You know the States?
Oh, America?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Nice to meet you, bro. Let's see. We are late. This guy is from the States. I don't know, but let's see. Let's go. Wow, yeah. No, this is the worst thing, that, guys. You experience some weird things, you know, the people. Okay, let's see. By the way, to cut the long story short, The guy was not on the frame, but he was telling me not to film him. And this is the kind of experience that you will find in most places in Somalia. I was not expecting this, by the way. I'm feeling this guy قف أخرجته واحد. قف كان قف أخرجته قف أقوان يهان واحد. إنه ساسوا الله. I don't think إنه في عندها. أنا كاميرا مكو أدين. I don't know why he gets angry. ودرفها ما كان. كاميرا فيني سانا سكو أدينها. No, you can see the camera is on me. But أصلا حلقة سوتاني يقول لي كاميرا يو أدينه ليه زي. حتى فريم حتى اسمه دو.
تغار كاميرا ويجي
يا
كاميرا ده بحكوا معناه
أحبها يعني بالكم يعيش مع محاوي ها فين فطينة الله فطينة محاوي وأكون عصبانة ولقي معنا يا best food ها كيف باش ميا انت حق ميا هذه شيء
يا هذه مصور ربطة
انت ما هو قادر وانا قادر
يا
هل هي
يا رب
مرحبا ليرا
بس فارس
مرحبا ليرا So guys, we're gonna try Pitilo. It's called Pitilo. To my Somali brothers, I don't know what the word Pitilo means, but you're gonna help me understand the word Pitilo. Basically, Pitilo محاسود ده بقى. Pitilo محاسود ده.
أكون واحد في مستشفى يكلون.
أكون يا؟
يكلون. أكون ملاك.
يكلون.
علي لك